Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in the vlog is gonna be my Audi A4, the one that I installed, the GTRS turbo kit. So as you guys know that I had some problems with the tuners before, that I got two tunes and then both of them, they weren't for my car and they weren't the right ones that I wanted. So this time I went ahead and I checked on some forums and I saw that Motoza has a good tune for those cars, and I went ahead and I send them an email what I have in the car and what I want. So they reply back to me and they say this is the kit that you need, so this is what you need to install in the car. So I got the remote, or how you guys call it, is the plug OBD to the port, the plug. I just got it in the mail right now, so I have to open it to see what does it come with, and then connect it to my computer. So I have to contact them and tell them that it's ready so they can tune my car. Also, I needed the 550cc injectors, which I have those. I'm gonna be swapping. I'm vlogging in the car because outside is windy right now, and I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna install the injectors really quick. So as I open the package, as you guys see, the product right here, this is what it has. I'm gonna try to open it. It's not that easy holding the phone. So definitely we got sticker right here. The quick start guide. I'm gonna put this aside. I'm gonna check this one for now. And I think this is the OBD plug. Yep, this is the OBD plug, and I'm gonna check the instructions really quick. I'm gonna go swap the injectors, and then I'll be contacting them so they can tune my car. I downloaded the app, the software on my computer. I have the OBD2 here. I have to plug it in and follow all those steps that they say right here. And the injectors are already installed. I don't think that needed to be filmed because I think you guys know how to swap some injectors. It's really easy. And yeah, I'll try to film as the process goes on, and then after that we're gonna go for a drive. As you guys see, the process is on, the car ignition is on. We're just waiting on it. So first start. The engine runs a little bit different, I can tell, a little bit rich, and I'm gonna go for a drive. I don't know if I can hold the phone and film, but if not, I'll do some posts later. My brother's gonna help me. Alright guys, so I'm gonna drive right now. The cruise control switch is off currently. We're gonna go for a quick spin and see where this goes. So it still goes 11.6 to 12 psi. That's how I had it all the time with this turbo. Doesn't go higher. I'm gonna turn this cruise control switch on and see how this goes. Now it's on. The car is misfiring and check engine is blinking. We're gonna scan it for codes. I'm on a fourth gear right now. Yeah, 11, and the car starts shaking and misfiring. We're gonna go scan it and see what's the check engine for, what was blinking for. Third gear. check engine still blinking, is misfiring. I scanned the car to see what the codes are, because there is no check engine, it was just blinking. And there is a P0135, that's the bank 1 sensor on oxygen sensor. The heating circuit, it says malfunction. And then the second code, it's for the misfire. The second code for misfire. Also, one previously I scanned with my computer is dead right now, but I scanned with the computer, it was saying a random misfire, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and the same the other codes. So when the cruise control switch is off, I pushed it, it goes to 11 to 12 psi. There is no check engine, no nothing, drives fine. It's like the car how it was before. When I put the cruise control switch, I put it to on. Then when the car starts misfiring and it shows the check engine and the codes. I called the people, the tuners, that they sent me this kit with the tune. I called them and they didn't pick up. Probably it's because it's Friday and it's already almost 4 o'clock, so everybody shuts down early right now with the whole thing going on. And I left them a voicemail and I told them maybe I did something wrong, or the tune is something that I am supposed to know, or there's another switch that I have to turn it on. So for now I'm just gonna drive it normal with the cruise control switch off, like was before. Yeah, it has the bigger injectors, but I'm gonna wait on them to call me back and see what they're gonna tell me. And then I'll keep you guys posted on the next video of the silver A4. So stay tuned for that. Thanks so much for watching this video, and don't forget to share this video and subscribe for more.